Ready to unlock a world of customers and boost your business globally? Accepting international payments through PayPal is easier than you might think, and this short tutorial will show you exactly how to do it. First, ensure you have a PayPal business account, not a personal one. If you don't, head over to paypal.com and sign up for a business account. The sign-up process is straightforward, requiring your business details and bank account information. Once your account is set up, log into your PayPal dashboard. Next, we need to confirm your email address. PayPal typically sends an email for confirmation during sign-up, which is required to receive payments. After confirming your email address, verify and link your bank account. Click on the Money, Banks and Card section to connect your bank account. This is crucial for withdrawing your earnings. Now, to actually receive international payments, you don't need to do anything special. PayPal automatically handles currency conversions. When someone pays you in a different currency, PayPal will convert it to your preferred currency. Subject to their fees, you can view and manage your currency preferences in your account settings. Finally, communicate clearly to your international customers that you accept PayPal. Add the PayPal logo to your website and checkout pages. And that's it. You're now ready to receive payments from customers around the globe. Start expanding your business internationally today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.